Welcome back to R for Economics. Now we'll go through some character changes so that we can actually change parts of the string. So if we have a character, hi, hello, hi there. There it is. And if we want to, let's just have a look at our vector, hi, hello, hi there. If we want to change hi, where is it located? Well, it's located in 1 and 3. And this one tells me that it's true, false, true, 1 and 3. First and third element have hi in it. So if I bring in empty cars, if I look at the names and I say, you know what, I really hate the letter A, so I'm going to change the letter. I want to get all the columns that have letter A. Oh, look, it's DRAT, AM, gear, and carb. Those all have A's. Great. Now what if I do grep L? Well, it's the same thing. And if I do keep columns, so I'm going to keep only the columns that have an A. That's 5, 9, 10, and 11. And then I can keep those columns. Great. Now empty cars just has those columns. Next, if I want to just substitute the hi, and rather than say hi because it's so impersonal, I want to say hello there. Because I want to be a little bit more proper. So I can look for the pattern hi. It's the beginning of our hi there in X. And replacement is hello. So it should replace hi with hello. Look at that. It says hi, hello there now. We can do that with G sub, and it goes hello there as well. These seem like identical. Well, what if I did hi, hi? X is now hi, hi. I replace hi, hi, and it says hello, hi. Well, that seems odd. There are 2 highs in there. Why didn't it replace both of them? Well, it just looks for the first one. What about G sub? G sub looks for anything that looks like a hi, and it will replace it. So hi, hi becomes hello, hello. Empty cars G. If we replace all the A's, because we're tired of having A's in our names, we can go empty cars. I'm going to replace those all with underscore, underscore, underscore. And look at that. Look, I've gotten rid of my A's, and now I have big giant underscores. If I want to trim extra spaces, so let's say I have some white space in my string. So I brought in names. I'm going to bring in this package stringr, and we just wait for this to go. That should work. I think it missed library. And then if we look at string trim, str underscore trim, look at that. It got rid of the spaces at the front and the back. If I do left side, oh, look, it says hi and then space, space, space. If I do right side, it says space, 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 hi. Now, what if I want to just squish out all the spaces at the beginning and the end? Look, I can do that with str squish. That's fantastic. What if I have stuff in the middle? Oh no, my string has something in the middle with giant white spaces. Well, string squish knows what to do with that as well. And it'll remove those extra spaces and just leave one. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.